Today we're going to take a look at a Cars-themed family suite at Disney's Art of Animation Resort. All right, so as we come in and we turn to our left, this is our little dining table, and that pulls down to a queen size bed. How cute is that though? I love all the different signage. I'm not a big car person, but this is really, really cute. There's nightstands on either side. And then to the right is the bathroom. Hi. How cool is the lights around the mirror there? Spiffy and a Jiffy. That's really cute. And then here is the shower. You got a nice mirror here. There's Katie. Hi, Katie.
Hi.
And then coming in here off of the dining area is the living area. There is a nice microwave. You've got all of your utensils and things like that. A cute little sink. Got your coffee. It is a refrigerator with the freezer. No beverage cooler. And some extra cleaning supplies. Here is the thermostat, and it looks like somebody did the hack because it is 62 degrees, so that is awesome. There is a cute couch here, little coffee table, a little cubby storage area looks like. Is that a drawer? That's a cool drawer. Another dresser, TV, chair, cute little lamp, and how cute is that with the cones? Here's that sofa pulled out into the third queen bed. All right, Katie's gonna demonstrate how that looks. Whoa. Awesome, good job, Katie. And that is some really cute artwork of Mater. All right, let's see how loud it is. It's gonna be that loud, I think.
Could use some oil.
Yeah. All right, thank you. And then coming into the bedroom, queen size bed. We have our dresser there, plenty of storage. I would hope so, because this room can technically sleep 6, so I would hope that there would be enough storage. It does look like there are plugs here in the lamp, and then you have some USBs too, so that's good. There is plenty of storage underneath the bed for your suitcases if you need to store those. This is our little view. More storage to the right of the TV. You've got hanging storage, the extra pillow and blanket. Your safe is here as well. And then coming in here is the second bathroom. Kind of set up the same as the first one. Except this one has the walk-in shower instead of the tub. The fan just kicked on, so sorry if you can hear that. Here's your makeup mirror. Just a really big room. Well, that's going to do it for this room tour of a family suite Cars edition at Art of Animation here at Walt Disney World. Have you stayed at this resort? Let me know in the comments. Which suite did you stay in? Did you stay in the Little Mermaid section, or did you have one of the heavily themed rooms here at Art of Animation? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe to the channel so that you can see more room tours around the different resorts here at Disney World. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and I will see you real soon. Bye, friends.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.